Welcome, Angel. Thank you for taking the time to talk to us and explore how SincX Learn can help your manufacturing company.
Thank you, Chris. We're looking for effective ways to upskill both our shop floor workers and office executives, and SincX Learn came highly recommended. One of our main challenges is to ensure consistent training for our shop floor workers on complex machines and safety protocols. Can your customized modules address this?
Absolutely. Our customized learning modules for shop floor workers are designed to be highly practical and engaging. We can incorporate visual demonstrations and step-by-step guides to make complex tasks look easier to understand. Safety trainings with built-in assessments. This ensures compliance and reducing workplace accidents. Mobile-friendly access, allowing learning on mobile phones or dedicated iPad kiosks on the shop floor.
That sounds much more effective than our current manual-based training. How do you ensure it's relevant to our specific equipment and processes?
Our team works closely with your subject matter experts to understand your specific machinery, workflows, and safety regulations. We tailor the content precisely to your needs, using real-world scenarios and your company's terminology.
What about our office executives? Their learning needs are quite different, focusing more on collaboration, communication skills, and new software adoption.
Our customized modules for office executives are equally adaptable. We can develop modules focusing on collaboration and communication skills, incorporating case studies and interactive scenarios relevant to their roles. Software trainings, ensuring smooth adoption of new technologies using micro-learning modules, short, focused content that fits into their busy schedules.
This has been very informative, Chris. It sounds like SincX Learn can provide the tailored training solutions we need for both our shop floor and office teams.
We're confident we can, Angel. We're passionate about empowering workforces through effective and engaging learning experiences. We can schedule a follow-up meeting to discuss your specific needs in more detail and even provide a demo of some sample modules.
That would be great.